In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish tags in Google Tag Manager and how to revert changes if needed. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access the Google Tag Manager interface. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll typically find the Submit button. This button is your gateway to publishing any changes you've made to your tags. Once you've clicked Submit, you'll have the option to publish your changes and create a new version of your container. It's important to keep in mind that publishing creates a snapshot of your current setup, allowing you to track changes effectively and manage versions. Before moving on, it's crucial to take a moment to examine the Workspace Changes section. This is where you can verify that your configurations are exactly as you intended them to be. Double check that everything appears correct because this is your last chance to spot any issues before the changes go live. Now, it's time to give your new version a name and description. This might seem like a small step, but it's incredibly helpful for keeping track of what was changed later down the line. A clear, concise name paired with a descriptive note will make it much easier to manage versions and changes in the future. If your setup involves multiple environments such as development, testing, and production, you'll need to select the environment where you want the changes to be applied. This ensures that the right configurations are published in the appropriate setting. Once you're satisfied with the changes and have selected the correct environment, you can go ahead and click the Publish button. This action finalizes your changes and effectively puts them into action. Now let's talk about reverting to previous versions, which can be incredibly useful if you need to roll back any recent changes. In the Google Tag Manager interface, you'll find a tab labeled Versions. Clicking on this will present you with a list of past versions of your container, allowing you to view the history of modifications. To revert to a previous version, simply click on the version number or name that you wish to roll back to. This will bring up details of that particular version, and if everything looks good, you can go ahead and click the Publish button again to roll back your GTM container to its previous state. And that's it! By following these steps, you can confidently publish and, if necessary, revert changes in Google Tag Manager. Remember, careful verification and keeping track of versions can save you a lot of hassle in managing your tags effectively. Thank you for watching and happy tagging.